the right hand side.
Oh, right.
I'll be the top of both of us.
Yeah? Alright. This is my friend's marking jet. Friday, and this is me on last
Also
show.
coming up here on the right hand side, this large house behind the tree, during 1940 to 1945, it was an MOD training center to recruit and train spy. The speciality of this house, known as HSM Mastodon, was to training radio operator officer to send overseas to France, Spain and Italy.
Train the spies.
Unfortunately for all these officers, the ability of the German to detect the radio signal, their life expectancy was only 6 weeks.
I mean, 6 weeks.
This is me on.
They get shot by the Germans.
Oh, really, Gavin?
They get trained there, sent to France
Yeah.
as a spy.
Yeah.
And their life expectancy.
Yeah.
And then he gets shot.
Yeah.
They were captured by the Germans.
Oh God.
Really?
The Germans would
Shoot.
Blimey. Wow.
not good. 6 weeks life expectancy.
Crikey.
That's interesting thing.
Listen to me on a Sunday live show with John and Matt on the Woking radio station every Sunday. Last show, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. on the Woking radio station show. Hey, that's really please subscribe to me on Sunday. Here we go. We're off on an adventure on a holiday down here, Gated Kitchen and Gambleton, on a residential holiday in Bournemouth right now. Well, we're not in Bournemouth now, we're on the river. BEAULIEU. We're having the last bit of our holiday. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to Sunday. Alright, everyone.